Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to create your own song with using AI on the website Suno.com. You have to start by signing into your account. And click on the music icon. Now we should write a small prompt. Let's say style pop punk. The princess slays the dragon and saves the prince. When you finished, you should click OK and create. And now we should wait after AI generated. Now we have two songs, so we can choose one and delete the second one if we don't like it. And here we go, we just did it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it interesting, please subscribe the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!